Nowadays, automated dust-free operation is required for the loading of tankers, open trucks, railway trucks, barges and ships with powders and granular materials. For this purpose, Torex offers telescopic loading bellows with strongly user-oriented design features. As a result of decades of experience in the field, this loader range rightfully claims a leading position in its industry. Top of the range is BELLOJET, which includes an integrated dust filter with unique maintenance friendliness. The computer animation shows an example of fully automatic loading of a tanker. First, the loading bellow is lowered from the standby position towards the inlet port of the tanker. As soon as the bellow outlet cone has settled on the inlet port of the tanker, the cable limit switch mounted outside the transmission box stops the lowering of the bellow. The limit switch inside the transmission box stops both full extension and contraction of the bellow. Material loading is started by opening the silo outlet valve. During the filling of the tanker, the polymer coating of the outlet cone acts as a perfect dust seal. At the same time, the filter fan continuously sucks dust through the external bellow into the integrated filter cartridges in the upper section of the unit and exhausts excess air. A slack cable switch activates further extension of the bellow as the tanker lowers under the increasing weight of the material. A level control device installed in the center of the outlet cone signals maximum material level in the tanker compartment and orders immediate closing of the silo outlet valve. Contraction of the bellow back to standby position starts after a delay of approximately 10 seconds in order to allow the filter to evacuate the remaining dust. Once the bellow is fully contracted, the cable limit switch inside the transmission box stops operation. The preset after shutdown cleaning cycle now provides for additional pulse jet cleaning of the filter cartridges for another 10 minutes. While the feed rate of a tanker loading bellow with built-in dust filter is 250 cubic meters per hour, other types with externally mounted dust collectors allow a throughput up to 850 cubic meters per hour. The nominal connecting flange diameter is either 300 or 500 millimeters. The corresponding outside diameter of the bellow is 600 or 800 millimeters. Whereas the stroke of loaders with built-in dust filter is 3 meters, units for open loading reach strokes up to 16 meters. Depending on the material handled, bodies are made from carbon steel or different types of stainless steel. Bellows are made of various types of polymers or leather. Among the numerous applications of loading bellows, the following industries are probably most significant. The main advantages of Torex's loading bellows are: externally mounted cables, standard bellows made of polymer, standard polymer coating of outlet cone, various materials utilized for body structure and bellows, anti-waste device at outlet, easy and quick replacement of filter elements. Series production and specially designed production machinery guarantee an outstanding price-performance ratio. A quality-dedicated production layout gives the client the assurance that the equipment he is going to use has been checked and tested in each phase of the manufacturing process up to the shipping department. Quick delivery is guaranteed thanks to a large amount of stock of components and parts at the factory in Italy and at the WAM Group subsidiaries worldwide. During the following part of this video, please pay attention to the special safety notices. On receipt of the consignment, check that the goods are in conformity with the invoice and with the acknowledgement of order. Handle all material with care. Remove the loading bellow and its accessories from the packaging, and from now on strictly follow the supplied instruction manual for handling, assembly and installation. For installation, refer to the instructions in the assembly and maintenance manual. Refer to the instructions in the assembly and maintenance manual. Apart from periodical checks of the dust collector cartridges and lubrication of the grease nipples inside the transmission box, loading bellows don't require any particular maintenance. For more detailed information, refer to the instructions in the assembly and maintenance manual. Refer to safety instructions in the manual before installation, operation and maintenance. Only use tested and certified hoisting and fitting equipment and tools. Do not stand under the loading bellow during installation, operation and maintenance. Do not leave the loading bellow unattended during operation. Electrical connection with the main supply must be carried out by qualified personnel only. Before the electrical connection, ensure the electric motor plate data and voltage supply match. Before any kind of repair or maintenance work, disconnect the electric motor from the mains. Leave the loading bellow always in fully retracted neutral position. Then switch off the mains. Only use original spare parts. Follow general safety instructions. The loading bellow cannot function in a standalone capacity. It is therefore prohibited to place it into service until the plant in which it is installed has been globally declared to conform with the requirements of the European General Safety Directive for machines.